So welcome again to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you how to build a business website using AI. If you go to Afrihost, I think it's .com, you go to afrihost.com, you're going to be seeing this page, right? Now, in this page, if you've already registered a domain, you're going to go under here where it says client zone. I've already registered it, but I'm going to show you quickly. Under client zone, I log in. So you could use your Gmail account to log in. You could use a Facebook account, or you could use GitHub, but GitHub is more for developers. And you log in, and straight after logging in, you've got this window that has all these options. I'm going to go under hosting, and under hosting, you will see your domain. In my domain, it's techsimcard.online, which is my website. Under website manager, I'm going to log in. It's going to open another window for me to see. So right here, you're greeted with this platform, which is known as cPanel. C standing for control. So control panel. It's where you configure, manage, change, protect, put passwords, etc. It's got a whole lot of other things that you can configure, which I normally use for when I'm building stuff for other clients. But in this case, we're just focusing on right here at the top. It says SiteJet, AI-powered website generation. I'm sure most of you are familiar with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a language model that helps you design these websites. There are other complex ones like Anthropic, Perplexity, DeepSeek, Google Gemini, and so forth and so forth. But in this case, because Afrihost and SiteJet have partnered with ChatGPT, so they basically license the ecosystem to be able to build the website so that it understands natural language and you don't have to code. And then under there, we just click on let's go. So then we're going to say try SiteJet Builder, because the domain already exists inside there. Then it opens this platform. So you're going to have here AI website generator. You're going to go into AI website generator. What is the name of your business? Let's call it Tabo Steel and Co. So Tabo Steel and Co. What do we do? I'm just going to select anything. You probably can find a more suitable. Let's use repair, auto repair. It's not the right one, but for argument's sake. Then you're going to click next. We're going to build a one page or a multi-page layer. That means that you're going to be working on multiple pages. Things like you've got your home, your about, your contact, and whatever. Now it depends on how big you want the site to be. Sometimes those tabs or those menus at the top of the screen are not necessary. So I would go with a one pager here. So say here, tell us more about your business as build me a website for a steel company, steel manufacturing company, specializes in supplying big business. Yeah, I think that's cool. You can just copy that, and then I'll say generate. You do have where you can import content from somewhere else, but we won't do that. Then it's preparing the new website. In real time, in your time, it might slightly be longer, but in my time, I've just chopped it to go to the end. So you can see it's doing the layers at the back, it's adding content. And now the content that it's adding are placeholders. Okay, so this is our site, and once you're done with the site, you can then choose what color scheme you sort of like, but this will be based on your logo. I'll give you a bonus tip at the end on how to design a logo using Canva. So I'll just pick anyone. I'll go here next. Let's see, headline. This is fine. Remember, you can still edit these things. Just click on edit so that it goes into the builder page. If you guys are not familiar with what a builder is, you can go to video 1 and 2 again, where you can find out about all those things. Okay, so here's our website. We done. Finished, to the point, everything. Now it's got builders here. You're able to change the logo. You can just click on this and change the logo. You can put on everything. It's got all these images that you can also change, which is in my course. So yeah, and that's about it. You can put social media, testimonials, and all these other things. And then as soon as you click publish, the site will be up, ready to be used. So you can populate the information of your company on all these tabs. Make sense? I'm going to give you a bonus one, but before I go there, if you like the stuff that I do on this channel, please buy me some coffee. It's only like $35. So you can just scan the QR code if you're watching on a TV, or below you can just go to techsimcard.online and then click on the tab there and you just buy the coffees. Quick, you can pay through Apple Pay, you can pay through Google Pay, or you can just put in your details and then it will take the money from your account. It means a lot if you support this channel. Yeah. Yeah, it would mean a lot if you support this channel. So yeah, please do that. So what I want to show you as well, under Canva, you're going to go to Canva, just type Canva logo maker. You're going to get this, just click there, say start designing custom logo. So it's just going to ask me. So the company is Thabo Steel and Co. So I'm going to ask it to generate. As soon as it's done, you're going to pick whichever one you like. I'm just going to see here. I think I like this one, Thabo Steel and Co. There's Steel Fund. You can write here established 2026 and then go back into your site jet and then literally put it in here. Just click logo, click up there. Should have a feature where you can upload it. When you click on edit, then you can have upload the logo here by choosing image, and then you'll put the image here and you'll have your logo and you're done. And that's it. You've got a company that's working. Yeah, but I know there's some people that actually want me to help them step by step, or want to know how I get clients, how I use ChatGPT, how I use all these other models, which is much more advanced than this, and how I deploy and connect things to localized servers like the local.co.za, how I embed payment systems onto it, the whole thing. If you want to know that, I do have a course. If you did this course at UCT, you're going to pay about 16,500 Rand. I'm not bad mouthing UCT, but I am saying that that's the amount you'll be paying. But if you feel like, no, I don't want to pay, just continue watching my videos and subscribing and liking. Buy me some coffee. The QR code is on the screen, or the link is on the description. techsimcard.online. I'll see you again on the next one. Please hit me up on anything that you want me to cover on this channel.